Hey Brandi, thank you. I want to shoot this little quick video for you. Um, October is Kelly and I's 10th anniversary, and so the meal plan that I'm using, I want to get her on the meal plan as well. And so what I want to do, obviously, I'll pay you. You said you wanted to send healthy meals, but just want to give you an idea. These are the meals that we want to eat for the next 6 weeks. Okay, and so we'll have to talk about prices, of course, but you have option one, option two. Um, that's gonna give us what we tell us exactly what we need to eat. All right, and so what I'm looking, want you to do is to make these dishes for us. So this is like the portion that you would make right here, and this is one serving. So protein, we're gonna get 6 grams of it. Carbs, you're gonna get 108 grams, and the fat, when we portion it out. So if you can make this, gives you self-explanatory of how to make the meals for us for a week. Um, Again, this will be the portion, and then we'll dish it out so that we can have servings for the week for us. So let me know what you think. If this is doable, we'll get a price in it. Kelly really wants to lose weight. I'm taking her to Mexico, and so with me getting ready for a marathon, I want to drop 20 pounds, and we want to get Kelly, you know, looking really good. Um, for our 10-year anniversary. So let me know what you think, and I can send this over to you. All right.